In addition to taking over a fence, Maypops can take over a lawn. My husband asked me to make a change. Now here you see one that's growing right up from the fence. Wonderful. This one is a little bit of ways. Now simple lawn mowing can cut these down all over the lawn. With these, I took off all the lower branches. I have a little pile here. He asked me to lay them down under the soil and let them climb up so that he can mow the lawn up to that point. So that's what I'm working on now. It's not always so easy to fully pull these by the roots and transplant them where you want them. So this actually is easier to accomplish. I cleared grass and other things from the area. I'm going to lay each one down individually based on the closest versus the furthest from the fence and put soil on top of that. Train them back up. I unhook them from the fence and I'll rehook them when they're bent up. I'm also going to put a little stone or something near the fence to keep them buried, otherwise they just pop up. Once laid down, I use the lower tendrils to attach them to the fence again, and I'll do that as they go up. Actually, I see once I put 2 sets of tendrils attached to the fence, they're no longer popping up lower down. So if I get enough tendrils low, I can do it without a rock. So many next to each other, I'm also training them a little diagonally once they hit the fence, so they can spread across and not all be hitting the same place. This section has now been attached to the fence. I have about half of it buried and I'm going to get more soil to finish burying the other half. This has to be done while there's still enough pliability so that you don't break it off.